Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of spending too much time on meal prep, you're in the right place. Today, we're checking out smart kitchen gadgets worth your money. These practical tools can save time and make cooking easier. Links to all the products are in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. The Elite Gourmet Egg Cooker, a simple kitchen gadget that makes preparing eggs quick and easy. You can cook eggs for breakfast, meal prep, or snacks without standing over the stove. It's compact enough for small kitchens and easy to use, making it a convenient choice for busy mornings when you want perfectly cooked eggs with minimal effort. Number 2. The Fullstar Vegetable Spiralizer, a clever kitchen gadget that can turn everyday vegetables into fun, spiral-shaped noodles in seconds. Use it for zucchini noodles, colorful salads, healthy meal prep, or creative side dishes. It's a great way to add more vegetables to your meals while making food look more exciting. Compact, easy to use, and simple to store, it's a handy tool for any home cook. Number 3. The Crock-Pot Portable Electric Lunchbox, a convenient way to enjoy a warm, homemade meal wherever you are. Just pack your food, plug it in, and let it heat your meal while you're at work, in the office, or on the go. It's great for leftovers, soups, pasta, rice, and more, helping you skip expensive takeout and enjoy a hot lunch almost anywhere. Number 4. The Baetle 2 Tier Electric Food Steamer, a smart way to prepare healthy, flavorful meals without using multiple pots and pans. The 2-tier design lets you steam vegetables, seafood, chicken, dumplings, and more at the same time, making meal prep faster and cleanup easier. It's perfect for busy weeknights, healthy meal prep, and anyone who wants a simple way to cook delicious meals with less effort. Number 5. The Pukomc Deep Fryer, a convenient way to make crispy, restaurant-style favorites right at home. It's great for frying chicken, french fries, onion rings, shrimp, and other delicious snacks, giving you more control over your cooking. The compact design works well in home kitchens, while the easy-to-use controls make it a handy option for family dinners, game days, or weekend treats. You'll find links to all the products featured in this video in the description below. Number 6. The Primula Half Moon Teapot, set a stylish and convenient way to enjoy your favorite tea at home. Its elegant design makes tea time feel more special, while the easy-to-use setup is perfect for brewing herbal tea, green tea, black tea, or loose-leaf blends. Whether you're relaxing after a long day or serving guests, this teapot set adds comfort, style, and convenience to your kitchen. Number 7. The Chefman Electric Panini Press Grill, a versatile kitchen gadget that makes it easy to create delicious meals in minutes. Perfect for paninis, grilled sandwiches, quesadillas, wraps, and more. It helps you get that crispy restaurant-style finish right at home. Its compact design makes it great for small kitchens, apartments, and quick everyday meals when you want something tasty without the extra effort. Number 8. The SLOTTET Stock Pot, a must-have kitchen essential for anyone who loves cooking hearty homemade meals. Its large capacity makes it perfect for soups, stews, pasta, sauces, chili, and family-sized recipes. Whether you're meal prepping for the week, cooking for guests, or making comfort food on a weekend, this versatile pot gives you plenty of space and makes cooking easier. It's a practical addition to any home kitchen. Number 9. The YouCopia Rolling Egg Holder, a smart refrigerator organizer that keeps your eggs neatly stored and easy to access. The rolling design automatically moves eggs forward, so you can quickly grab the oldest ones first and keep your fridge organized. It helps save space, reduce clutter, and makes everyday cooking more convenient, especially for busy families who use eggs regularly. Number 10. The AAOBOSI Digital Meat Grinder, a powerful kitchen tool that makes preparing fresh ground meat easier than ever. It allows you to grind beef, chicken, pork, and other ingredients at home, giving you more control over the freshness and quality of your meals. Whether you're making burgers, sausages, meatballs, or homemade recipes, this grinder helps save time and brings more convenience to your kitchen. You'll find links to all the products featured in this video in the description below. Number 11. The Dash Express Mini Donut Maker, a fun and easy way to make delicious homemade mini donuts in minutes. It's perfect for breakfast treats, family snacks, parties, and weekend baking with kids. The compact design takes up very little counter space, making it great for apartments and small kitchens. Enjoy fresh, warm donuts at home without the mess and hassle of deep frying. Number 12. The Kundita Upgraded 4-Cup Egg Frying Pan, a convenient kitchen tool that helps you cook perfectly shaped eggs with less effort. The 4-cup design is great for making multiple eggs at once, including fried eggs, mini pancakes, burgers, and breakfast sandwiches. It's perfect for busy mornings, meal prep, and anyone who wants quick, consistent results while saving time in the kitchen. Number 13. The Gorilla Grip Cutting Board set a practical kitchen essential designed to make food prep easier and more organized. The multiple sizes let you prepare everything from fruits and vegetables to meat and other ingredients without needing just one board for every task. With a durable design and easy-to-clean surface, it's perfect for everyday cooking, meal prep, and keeping your kitchen workflow smooth. Number 14. The Dezin Hot Pot, a versatile electric cooker that's perfect for quick, convenient meals at home. You can use it to make hot pot, ramen, noodles, soups, stir-fries, and more, all in one compact appliance. It's especially handy for dorm rooms, apartments, and busy weeknights when you want a warm homemade meal without using multiple pots and pans. Easy cooking, less cleanup, and plenty of meal options. Number 15. The Shape+Store Burger Master, a handy kitchen tool for making perfectly shaped homemade burgers with less mess and effort. It's great for preparing uniform patties for beef, turkey, chicken, or veggie burgers, making it easier to cook multiple burgers evenly. You can also prepare patties ahead of time and store them for later, making it a useful choice for meal prep, family cookouts, and backyard BBQs. You'll find links to all the products featured in this video in the description below. Number 16. The MIOAOTCE Double Cast Iron Burner, a convenient extra cooking surface for when your kitchen stovetop just isn't enough. The two burners let you cook multiple dishes at once, making it great for family meals, holiday cooking, parties, camping, RVs, and small kitchens. Its sturdy cast iron design provides reliable heat for everyday cookware, giving you more flexibility when preparing everything from sauces and soups to full meals. Number 17. The OXO Corn Prep Peeler, a handy little tool that makes preparing fresh corn quick and easy. It helps remove corn kernels neatly from the cob, making it great for salads, soups, tacos, casseroles, salsa, and homemade corn dishes. Its compact size makes it easy to store in any kitchen drawer, and it's especially useful when you're preparing multiple ears of corn for family meals or summer cookouts. Number 18. The Eggssentials Poached Egg Maker, a convenient way to enjoy restaurant-style poached eggs right at home. It helps simplify the poaching process, making it easier to prepare eggs for breakfast sandwiches, avocado toast, eggs Benedict, salads, and more. Whether you're making a quick weekday breakfast or a weekend brunch, this handy kitchen tool can help you get consistent results with less hassle. Number 19. The Klaif Pizza Countertop Oven, a compact way to enjoy delicious homemade pizza without needing a full-size oven. It's great for pizza nights, frozen pizzas, reheating leftovers, and making crispy snacks right on your countertop. The compact size makes it a great fit for apartments and smaller kitchens, while giving you an easy way to enjoy hot, crispy food whenever you're craving it. Number 20. The Amzcku Glass Pitcher with Lid, a simple and stylish way to keep your favorite drinks chilled and ready to serve. It's perfect for water, iced tea, lemonade, fruit-infused drinks, and homemade beverages. The clear glass design looks great on the dining table, while the lid helps keep your drinks covered and fresh. It's a practical everyday essential for the fridge, kitchen, or entertaining guests. Number 21. The Baetle Oil Splatter Guard, a simple kitchen upgrade that can make frying much cleaner and less messy. It's great for cooking bacon, eggs, chicken, vegetables, and other foods that tend to splatter hot oil. It helps protect your stovetop and nearby surfaces, so you can spend less time wiping down the kitchen and more time enjoying your meal. If you enjoyed these Amazon kitchen finds, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more smart kitchen gadgets, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching!